Chill.
Bro, what the fuck wrong with me?
You alright, punk ass?
Punk ass.
Oh, my bad, man. Oh, well, chill. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D the Matt, and today I'm gonna be face sneezing on people. Basically, when you're shopping, I'm gonna spray this on your neck or your face. So, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. If y'all wanna see me do any pranks, DM me. Know what I'm saying? And let's get turned up. Peace. Shit.
Damn, bitch, I nigga that sneeze on me, bro.
My bad, punk ass. You alright? But chill out, bro. Chill out. What you gonna do, clown? Excuse me, man. Shit. My bad, man. I just sneezed.
No.
My bad.
It's a camera around you to
No,
sneeze all
man.
that shit on my back.
My bad, man. I just sneezed. You alright, man? Come on, get it fine. Excuse me, man. It was a joke.
No, you must have some spray or something.
Yeah, look. Listen, water is water.
Bro, because why the fuck that shit came out on me like that?
Nah, I just. My bad, punk ass. You alright? My bad, bro. I had to sneeze.
Yeah, you good, bro?
Yeah, my bad, bro.
Yeah.
You alright, clown?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah, you good. My bad, clown.
Did you just fucking sneeze on me, bitch?
Bitch, you got me a B word?
Yes, did you fucking just sneeze on me? That shit not funny. Did you just sneeze on me?
It don't matter.
No, it don't matter.
I got the flu. It don't.
I don't get, you don't come to no store with no flu.
My bad, man.
No, what you don't sneeze on nobody, that's nasty.
You alright, clown?
What?
You alright, clown?
Is you alright?
Yeah.
Is you alright, bitch?
Alright. Shit. My bad, bro.
Bro, you did that on purpose.
No, I didn't, clown.
Hey, bro, I'm close, bro.
You alright, punk ass? Oh, shit. She even swing. Shit.
Hey, why y'all playing with me, bro?
Oh, shit.
I did that because I've been seeing stuff
I
on
said, oh,
YouTube.
shit. Chill. Oh my God. Look. Oh, chill. Look. It's a joke. Please, chill. Look, chill. Look, bro. God damn. Shit. Shit. My bad, bro. I sneezed on you. My bad, bro.
What's wrong with you, man?
You alright, clown?
Huh?
You alright, clown? You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What did this, a skit?
Yeah, man, yeah. Damn. Damn, man. Damn, why you leave? I tried to prank you. Fuck. Basically, like, I was gonna sneeze on you, but dang, you walked away quick. Fuck. Damn. Hey, get that black dude right here. Get that black dude. Go straight. Here, get him. Shit, bro. My bad, bro.
For real?
My bad, bro. You alright?
That's how you roll?
You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What you told me, my nigga?
You alright, punk ass?
My nigga, if you sneeze
My bad, bro.
You gonna find out what that shit all about,
My
bro.
bad, clown.
What?
My bad, clown. You alright?
Go ahead.
Shit, I had to sneeze, bro.
What?
I had to sneeze, bro.
Alright, then do that shit again. You gonna see.
Excuse me, girl. Shit. My bad, bro. I shouldn't have. My bad, bro.
I'm going through the same shit.
My bad, shit, bro. Did it hurt, bro?
Huh?
Did I touch your neck or something, clown?
What?
Did I hit your neck, clown? Nah, these. Okay, okay. Shit. Oh, my bad, man. Oh, shit. My bad, my bad. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. It was an accident, man.
Don't spit, fuck that shit. Don't
It was
spit
an
on
accident,
your
man.
kid. Don't let this shirt fool you, boo.
It was an accident, man.
I'ma accident your ass.
Man, that's assault. You hit me. That's an accident. You know that, right? That's assault. You hit me.
You spit on me. You could have
No, I didn't.
I don't know what the fuck you got.
But it's an accident, though. You hit me, man. You gonna hit me, man?
That way. You came this way. Fuck you.
Me, you can hit me like that. I don't call the police on your ass, man. Hell yeah, I'm calling law on that ass, bro. She my nose, bro. Black girl hit my nose. This shit, bro. What the fuck? Shit. My bad. I'm sorry. My bad, sir. You alright?
No, you're fine. Oh, no, you're good.
You alright, clown?
Yeah, good.
Okay. I'm sorry. You sure, punk ass?
I'm sorry?
You sure, punk ass? You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit.
What? They said, nigga, you sneezing on me? What you doing?
Bro, chill, bro. Chill.
What you
chill.
doing? What you sneezing on me? What's going on?
Bro, your ass sound like you about to cry, bro.
Bro, what's going on, bro? You sneezing on me? What's up? What is this, bro? Is this a game or something? What's going on?
All right, bro. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Man, no,
It's a joke.
man.
Shit. My bad, clown. You alright, clown?
You just sneezed on me, dog?
You alright, punk ass?
Punk ass.
Yes, punky. You alright,
Who the
bro?
fuck you talking to?
You, bro.
Me.
Yes, bro.
Boy, you don't even know me, boy.
Bro, what you gonna do, bro?
Talking about?
What you gonna do, bro?
Fuck you just sneezed on me
Chill.
for?
What you gonna do, bro?
Who?
Chill.
But I got the flu, bro.
What you want to do?
Chill.
I don't give a damn about
Chill,
none of that
chill,
sneezing and shit, bro.
chill.
Bro, it's,
I don't
bro,
care about none of
Bro.
that sneezing and shit, bro.
bro, it's a joke, punk
I
ass.
don't give a fuck, nigga. It's too much shit going
Chill.
on. You sneezing on me, fam.
Chill.
What's wrong with you?
Chill.
Bro, let him go.
Fuck that shit, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Nigga just sneeze on me.
Bro, you mad cause
Just going on about your business, dog.
But you got a flu, bro?
Just going on about.
Bro,
I
get
give
your-
a damn about the damn flu, nigga. Don't sneeze on me, bro.
What you gonna do, clown?
Chill. You need to go on.
What you wanna do?
Don't know.
What you wanna do?
Don't know.
What you wanna do?
Bro, it's a joke, bro. Excuse me, bro. Shit, bro.
Why the fuck you do that, man?
My bad, bro. You alright, bro? You alright, clown? You said what, bro? I had to sneeze, bro. My bad, bro. You said what, punk ass? Bro, I'm serious, bro. I just sneezed. My fault, bro. All right, bro. Excuse me, sir. It was a joke. It was just,
I know it was.
it was just water.
I know it was because of stuff you kept saying, man. I know it was. I'm like, all right, he courting because he set me up. I'm like, all right, just go, man. Bro, what the fuck your problem is?
My bad, clown. You all right?
Dog, you just sneeze on my neck?
Hell yeah, bro. You all right, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you all right, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you all right, punk
You
ass?
say what?
You all right,
You
punk
say
ass?
what?
Bro, chill.
You just
Chill.
sneeze on my neck.
Bro, it
like
don't
you
matter,
want
bro.
something.
Bro, chill, bro. Chill.
Dog, you
Look, chill, bro, chill. God damn. You too damn buff for that shit, man. What the hell?
hell no.
Damn, I'm trying to prank you. Fuck, bro, why you move? Damn. I'm trying to get you, damn. Nah, I try to sneeze on you like, Chew. But you move. Fuck. Excuse me, bro.
Oh, no, you good, bro.
Oh, my bad. I'll try to get past you. My bad, man. Shit. Shit, bro.
Oh, no, you good.
Damn, why you keep moving, bro?
What's up,
I
bro?
try to prank your ass, man.
Nah,
You keep moving, man.
I felt this shit.
Shit.
What
bro. What the fuck you got going on, fam?
You alright, punk ass?
Damn, my nigga, you just gonna spill my
Well, chill.